recipes. Today I am going to prepare poha for breakfast. For this I am going to use 1 cup of onion, a few peanuts, green chilli, few curry leaves, some urad dal, mustard, 1/4 teaspoon cumin seed, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric and 1 teaspoon salt. Next I have taken a pan. I have added 2 tablespoon oil. I have heated that. Next I am adding peanuts. Roast them for 2 minutes. Roasted for 3 to 4 minutes on medium flame. Then taking them again aside. To the same oil I am adding mustard seeds, next cumin seed, even urad dal, let urad dal turn brown. I am adding green chilli. Next I am adding curry leaves. Saute it for a minute. Next I am adding onion. Let the onions become transparent. Next I am adding salt to the onion. Onions are cooked. Next I am adding turmeric. Mix everything well. At this point add roasted peanuts as well. Mix everything well. Next, after onions are cooked, I am adding 3 cups of poha. I have washed it and allow it to rest for 10 minutes. After adding the poha, cook it for 5 minutes. It's been 5 minutes and I'm transferring it to the serving plate. And now this poha is ready. Serve it with lemon, few coriander leaves,